What's up, guys? We're back again. Today, we're not actually working on my car. We're actually working on Nick's car. And Nick is putting in, he's cutting his hood today. Yeah, so let's take a look and see where he's at. So, yeah, we're putting in some hood vents. And they came with the template. And now he's about to punch a hole.
Center punch?
Oh, right into the hood.
Oh, God!
Yeah.
It's painful.
But you triple checked, right?
At least double.
Okay. So we'll see how this goes. The plan is to do the first one right here, and then measure, try to get the other side symmetrical to this hood vent. Let's take a look what he's got. He's got these vents. They look like they're sassy cut out, and then the louvers are bent.
It's got little wickers.
And so these things came with a template. These are actually made for an FRS, right? FRS
Yep.
BRZ.
BRZ.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to get them to work on this.
I'm not sure this is putting enough of a center punch, but...
Yeah, it should. If anything, crack the paint.
Slam. Okay, that was easier than I thought.
Yeah, don't put too much pressure.
Yeah. Going through hard.
Alright, let's open the hood just to see if fucked anything up. I'll give you a brush for that.
Dry back in or shot back?
I do, just put it on the ground.
Okay. What we got underneath?
Good holes?
Hole. So this one over here didn't go through the second part, but I guess it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Once we have to chop that.
Well, let's pop in the vent and see
See if it goes in.
see how good your holes were.
My holes are good.
Yeah.
Okay, my holes weren't that good.
Well, is it big enough? You did draw them big enough.
Maybe I need to go a little bigger.
Okay. You decided to show up to the party. So part 2 of this is Justin himself wants to cut his hood, so it's like a hood cutting kind of day. What are you setting up over here? Oh, rib nuts? Yeah, rib nuts. That's cool.
Are you using any of these? I don't think so.
What did you initially buy it for?
Brake ducts.
Oh, the brake ducts?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And I thought it was just a regular riveter.
Alright, so
Didn't realize it
Nick's
was
over there
a riveter.
tracing his lines. You can see them. But yeah, we're gonna start making cuts soon.
I mean, look how
You're gonna be
they are
making
to
cuts soon.
these.
I'm just gonna hold the
Yeah.
camera. Just over there. So, quick update, Nick has a hole in his hood now. And you gotta cut the under part of it, but you can't really see. You gotta cut the bottom part. What's that?
I just need a pen.
There's a
I don't know why I'm
Holding
working
a
so
Sharpie?
hard to cut $20 worth of fiberglass.
Is a Sharpie good enough, or do you want a pen?
No, the Sharpie will work.
Okay. So give me a quick backstory of the hood bay.
Well, this is the style I've always wanted, just to be a cool kid. And I picked this one up with a 240 hood for 20 bucks, so who cares? And at the last Corolla Matsuri, the car is starting to get hot. Not anything crazy, but I'm hoping this will help. So I have a reason. But I gotta cut all these holes off so it's clean, and then we'll figure out how we're gonna mount it.
we got a hole now.
There's a hole.
And so now, are you gonna test fit the vent?
Yeah. I'm gonna pull all this tape
Now
off.
just like pop the vent in. I want to see it fit.
Well, there's no holes.
Oh, you can't see the
Gotta
holes.
pull these.
Gotcha. All right, dude. Let's see what happens. Let's see how good that was cut out.
I'm gonna go with not that good. My holes to make more of a cut
Yeah.
whenever used.
Exactly. I told you you didn't need them.
Oh yeah, we need to go wider though.
Wider. Well, I can't tell what kind of face that is, but
Do I need to do more?
how do you like it?
I think it's gonna work. I think I need to cut some more bracing off though on the
Not
other
bad.
side.
I mean, it fits. It's flush. I don't see any scratches on the outside of the tape. So let's see where we're at now. You have Nick who's cut his hole out.
A little
Just doing some
touch-up.
touch-up paint, right?
Yep. Yep.
It doesn't rust and all that good stuff. So I still got one more to cut. Let's go walk over the chest and then.
I'm scared. There's spots over there. You can see where I was like, wow. You see that line right there?
Is that what that is right there?
Yeah, there's two. I'm hoping the vent will cover. Oh shit.
Too big now?
Yeah. Well, at least
It
they're on the
expands,
back.
right?
Yeah, Nick bought a fancy one. It works pretty good. At least for us, we don't know what we're doing.
You gonna teach him how to use it?
He saw.
You saw? Okay.
Does he need it today? Are we gonna use it on him?
No.
Oh.
You don't want to do my breakdowns today too?
No.
I still gotta cut my hood.
And.
Bam.
So quick recap, because I've totally forgot where we left off at. So we cut off the edges because they had other pre-existing holes, so we cut some of it back on all four sides. Justin's been putting in riv nuts, so that way we can bolt this thing down, and then after he bolts it down, then we'll figure out where we're going to cut. So this is the first test with all the bolts. That's cool. And then we were kind of talking about it, whether or not we were going to cut out the bottom.
I should cut
But-
these out.
It's kind of cool that you left the skeleton there to keep the hood from flopping around. You know,
Do you think I
guess
should leave it?
I
I feel like I should cut this.
cut a couple out, but I would kind of leave the one that goes across the center. Not bad. All right. So we're almost there. We took all the blue tape off, so that's a sign.
Oh, you want to show them?
Take a look.
There's a big hole.
The big hole, and then we left part of the skeleton underneath the hood, cut one out, and then we left the one bar right there. And now it's just a matter of putting in the screws to see how it looks. Obviously he's gonna put in more rib nuts, but we only had 6 test derivative nuts out of the kit that Nick brought over. So we're just putting in 4 for now. So Nick's got 1 done. Oh, it's pretty good. Oh, just gotta clean up. Let's see if there's any scratches.
Second one, he's fucking up royally.
Look on the other side. This side looks good.
Trying to cut it.
Looks like the other side's top. Oh.
That's not my name.
Well,
Is the louver hitting the skeleton underneath?
No, I'm making sure of that.
The holes go through?
It's just the holes are a tiny bit off. This one needs to go back about a tiny fucking sliver.
So?
ugh. It's crooked.
Look at this.
Well, I gotta clean the edges up, but it's mounted. I'm gonna make it look pretty on a different day.
Okay. Well, I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I just gotta sand the edges down. You see it? They're a little crooked.
Oh, like where you cut the actual thing?
Yeah, when I trimmed it, like you can see right here, it like dips a little.
Oh.
And I gotta paint the edges. They're not
Yeah,
white.
they're white.
Yeah, that'll help too.
But I think it looks good.
Okay, well, I guess it's time for us to help Nick finish his last one. Right, Nick?
Well, he's got it. He just wants to play with the grinder more.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I love shooting sparks into my face.
Oh, he just
Finally.
I get what you're saying.
I guess we gotta wipe it down now.
Sorry. Yeah.
But they finally put the other one in. From here it looks symmetrical. So, yeah.
If you don't measure, symmetrical. Oh, look at those wiggers. That makes it pumping shit.
That's it for today, guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll see you next time. Cool, I'm going home. Bye.
Do it.